Losing a loved one is never easy, and figuring out the next steps can feel overwhelming. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for Social Security survivor benefits in a clear, simple way. To start, survivor benefits can't be applied for online. You'll need to call or visit your local Social Security office. Call 1-800-77-21213 to schedule an appointment. It's best to do this as soon as possible because in some cases, benefits aren't retroactive. You'll need some key documents: the deceased's Social Security number, death certificate, your birth certificate, and proof of relationship, like a marriage license or birth certificate if you're a child. At your appointment, a representative will walk you through the process and let you know what you may qualify for, whether you're a spouse, child, or dependent parent. The benefit amount depends on your age and the deceased's earnings, but once approved, you'll receive monthly payments directly into your bank account. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful life guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.